Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the exact environment where bubble Chomik spawns. This matters because spawn rules depend on platform and location. Once ready, load a nearby save and open the in-game map so you can watch markers and timers. Make sure to increase your search radius to 500 meters and enable any tracking overlays. You'll move deliberately. Set a slow pace, scan high-probability zones first, and note timestamps for each area you clear so you don't retrace steps unnecessarily. Once done with setup, you perform a systematic grid sweep to cover ground without missing pockets. Start with 50 to 100 meter lanes and alternate elevation. Check roofs, ledges, then ground level, because bubble Chomik prefers specific microhabitats. Make sure to use sound cues and visual filters to highlight subtle movement and toggle day versus night to observe behavioral shifts. You should log every brief sighting with time and location so patterns emerge. Later steps use that data to predict spawns more efficiently. You finish by executing the capture once the pattern is clear. Approach slowly and place bait or adjust pathing to funnel bubble Chomik toward an intercept point. When movement becomes steady, trigger your lure and use the net or interaction command timed to the creature's animation. If it keeps slipping away, widen your search radius, reset the instance or server, and re-enable overlays to rule out visual bugs. One key tip: if tracking fails, restart the game to clear stale spawn caches before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.